In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a mega menu in Shopify. A mega menu can really enhance your store's navigation by offering a multi-column layout that makes it easier for your customers to find what they're looking for. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll want to determine if your theme already comes with mega menu functionality. Some of the newer themes, or those that have been recently updated, come with features like Mega Menu, drop-down columns, or wide submenu options. This can save you a lot of time, as setting up a mega menu is straightforward if your theme supports it. Now, if you're using the Dawn theme, there's something important to note. Older versions of Dawn typically do not have a built-in mega menu feature right out of the box. They tend to display nested menus instead of giving you that full, multi-column mega navigation look. So, if you're using Dawn, you might need to consider upgrading your theme or finding other solutions. Once you've confirmed that your theme supports mega menus, here's how you set it up. Head over to your theme editor within Shopify. You can do this by navigating to your Shopify admin. From there, select Online Store, then Themes. Click on Customize to get into the theme editor where you can make changes. Next, you'll want to focus on the header section of your theme settings. This is usually where the magic happens with mega menus. Look for an option that says Add Mega Menu Block or something similar like Enable Mega Navigation. Once you find it, go ahead and click to add it. When you're adding a mega menu block, it's typically necessary to specify the parent menu item name. This is the top-level menu that, when hovered over or clicked, triggers the mega menu to display. Setting this up correctly ensures your mega menu displays as intended. After you've activated the mega menu block, it's time to customize. Decide how many columns you want to have. Consider whether you'd like to include images or promotional content within the menu as well. Creating headings for each of the columns can help organize your items better. And of course, you'll want to adjust the styling so the colors and fonts match the overall design of your store. Once you've configured everything to your liking, make sure to save your changes in the theme customizer. Then, do a quick preview to see how it all looks. Check both the desktop and mobile views to ensure that the menu looks perfect and doesn't overlap or behave erratically. This testing phase is crucial to ensure your customers have a seamless browsing experience. And there you have it. You're now ready to offer an improved navigational experience for your visitors with a fabulous mega menu. Thanks for watching and happy selling.